Hello mga ka-basic! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This has been Sir Alberto A. Policarpio Jr. or you can call me Sir Albert, ang inyong ka-basic pagdating sa mathematics. And for today's video, pag-aaralan po natin yung tinatawag natin na operations and evaluations of functions for the general mathematics. And bago tayo mag-start sa ating lesson for today, syempre po, huwag mo nang kalimutang i-click ang subscribe button and notification bell para updated po kayo sa lahat ng mga videos po na aking ilalabas. Ayan po. So, tara, samahan niyo ko at ating aralin ang operations and evaluations of functions. So, ayan po, bago tayo mag-start, let us define, no? Ano ba yung tinatawag natin na functions? So, when we say function, a function is a relation which states that for every possible x, there is one and only one outputs for y. Diba? Sa functions, meron tayong x and y. We have the input and the output. And we can easily determine if a relation is a function. Ito po yun. Sabi dyan, a relation is a function if it passes the what's so-called vertical line test. Ano nga ba? No, mga ka-basic yung tinatawag natin na vertical line test. So let us have an example of a vertical line test. So ito po yung tinatawag natin na vertical line test. So let's say we have here a function, ayan, a function, no? Or a relation, rather. So, kailan daw ba natin matatawag na ang isang relation is a functions or not using the vertical line test? So, ito po yan. Kapag yung vertical line test mo, isa lang yung natamaan na point doon sa relation na yun, doon sa red line na yon. Isang point lang yung tinamaan, then matatawag natin siya na function. Yan. So, itong isa na to, itong first example is a function. This one is also a function kasi kapag ginamitan natin siya ng vertical line test, isa lang din po yung point na madadaanan sa kanya. This one is a non-function kasi dalawa yung point na madadaanan. This one and this one. So, itong relation na yan is not a functions. Okay po? So, don't forget about it. Now, so let us have evaluating a function. How we're going to evaluate. Now, so let us have an example number 1. We're going to evaluate f of x is equal to 2x plus 4 or x is equal to 5. Alright, so let us have this one. So f of x is equal to 2x plus 4. So, palitan lang natin yung x ng 5 kasi x is equal to 5 plus 4. So, erase natin to ha. So, ito ay gagawin nating f of 5. Yan, f of 5. Yan. So, it is equivalent to 2 times 5, we have 10 plus 4. So, here, 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. So, therefore, ito yung magiging value niya. 14. Yung f of x is equal to 2x plus 4 for x is equal to 5. Next example, we're going to evaluate g of t is equal to t squared minus t. So, we're going to find g of negative 2. So, let us have g of negative 2 is equal to negative 2 squared minus 2. It is equivalent to negative 2 squared is equal to 4. Diba? Negative 2 times negative 2. Positive 4 minus 2. So, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So, therefore, the answer is positive 2. Alright? So, let us have an example. Number 3. Evaluate f of x is equal to 3x plus 1 find g of negative 4 minus x. So let us have f of negative 4 minus x is equal to, so we're going to substitute the value of x. We have negative 4 minus x plus 1. So it is equivalent to 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. 3 times negative x is negative 3x plus 1. So distributive property, i-distribute lang natin. Then it is equivalent to negative 3x. Yan, tapos combine like terms. Negative 12 plus 11, or rather negative 12 plus 1 is negative 11. So therefore, the answer is negative 3x minus 11. Alright, so now let us proceed to the operations on functions. We have the adding and subtracting functions. How we're going to add and subtract functions. So let's say, meron tayong example dito. We have example number 1. Ayan, we have the g of x. Alright, so g of x is equal to 2x. Then f of x is equal to negative 2x cubed plus 2x. Find g of x plus f of x. So let us solve. We have g of x plus f of x. So we have g of x plus f of x. So yung g of x natin is 2x plus, ayan, yung f of x natin is negative 2x cubed plus 2x. So let us have this one. Okay? So we have negative 2x cubed, or minus na yan na, minus 2x cubed plus 2x. Alright, so we have combining like terms. We have negative 2x cubed. Then 2x plus 2x is positive 4x. O, pwede pa natin siyang i-simplify. We have 2, ayan, times, pwedeng negative 2. No, negative 2 times x cubed minus 2x. Pwede yan. Pwede natin i-ganyan. Yan. So, therefore, itong dalawa na to, pwede na yan. Pwede nang, yan po yung magiging final answer natin. So, sinimplify lang natin. Alright? So, example number 2, we have g of x is equal to 4x plus 5. Then f of x is equal to negative 3x squared minus 3x. So, we're going to find again g of x plus f of x. So, let us have g of x plus f of x. So, we have ang g of x natin is 4x plus 5 minus 3x squared minus 3x. So, we have this one is negative 3x squared. Ayan, plus x, combine like terms. Ito yun, 4x minus 3x, then plus 5. So, therefore, the answer is negative 3x squared plus x plus 5. Another example, g of t, alright, g of t is equal to negative 3t cubed minus 4t. Then f of t is equal to 4t minus 4. So, we're going to find g of t plus f of t. So, we have g of t plus the f of t. Alright, so g of t is equal to negative 3t cubed minus 4t. Alright, plus 4t plus 4t minus 4. Okay, so we have negative 3t cubed. Then negative 4t plus 4t, so cancel out na yon kasi 0 yon na. Minus 4. So therefore, the answer is negative 3t cubed minus 4. So let us proceed to subtracting, no? Subtracting functions. So you have h of n is equal to n plus 2, then g of n is equal to 2n plus 1. So we're going to find h of n minus g of n. So we have h of n, alright, h of n minus the g of n. Here, our h of n is equal to n plus 2. We have n plus 2. Minus, kapag minus, mag-open and close parenthesis kayo. G of n, we have 2n plus 1. Alright, so we have n plus 2. Then distribute natin yung negative. Minus 2n. Then ito, minus 1. Then combining like terms, we have negative 2n, n minus 2n is negative n. Then positive 2 minus 1 is positive 1. So therefore, the answer is negative n plus 1. Okay. So next example is multiplying and dividing functions. So here, this will be our example number 1. No typo error. So for example number 1, where if f of x is equal to negative 7x plus 2 and g of x is equal to x cubed plus x squared, we're going to find for g times f, or rather g of x times f of x. So yun yung gagawin natin. Alright, so we have, okay, kunin natin yung, oh sorry. So ito yung gawin natin para hindi kayo malito na. So we have g of x, yan, multiply kay f of x para hindi kayo malito. Alright. So ang g of x natin is x cubed plus x squared. Then, yung f of x natin is negative 7x plus 2. Then, gamitan natin ang tinatawag natin na FOIL method. So, we have x cubed times negative 7x is negative 7x to the 4th. Then, x cubed times 2, we have positive 2x cubed. Then, we have x squared times negative 7x is negative 7x cubed. Then, x squared times positive 2 is positive 2x squared. Okay, so let us combine like terms. We have negative 7x to the 4th. 2x cubed minus 7x cubed, we have negative 5x cubed plus 2x squared. Okay, so this will be your final answer for that. So, yun yung ating multiplying function. Now, let us proceed on dividing functions. So, example number 2, let's say, ayan tayo, if f of x is equal to 2x minus 6 and g of x is equal to x squared minus 5x plus 6, we're going to find the f of x divided by the g of x. So, let us have f of x divided by the g of x is equal to, ang f of x natin is 2x minus 6. We have 2x minus 6. Then yung g of x natin is x squared minus 5x plus 6. So here, meron tayong common factor dito sa 2x minus 6 which is 2 times x minus 3. Factor out lang natin, no? May common factor. Then ito factorable siya, no? Yung x squared minus x plus 6. So ano yung magiging factor niya? X minus 3 times x minus 2. So here, makakancel natin yung x minus 3. So, ang natira na lang dyan is 2 over x minus 2. So, therefore, ito yung sagot natin dyan. Alright? So, ayan. Thank you so much mga ka-basic. At I hope na marami kayong natutunan sa ating lesson for today about operations and evaluations of functions for the general mathematics. Once again, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng mga video na aking inilalabas. See you again mga ka-basic sa aking next video, sa ating next lesson. Okay? So, bye-bye na muna for now, mga ka-basic. Bye!